Welcome back to the channel, where today we're diving into one of the most outrageous and luxurious creations ever imagined in the automotive world. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Double-Decker Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, Rolls-Royce has taken its signature elegance and refined design language and scaled it up into a futuristic level luxury capsule on wheels that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi film. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a bold statement of what happens when ultra-luxury meets cutting-edge mobility. The exterior is unlike anything on the road today. Towering in presence and gliding in form, the motorhome features a sculpted silver body with flowing, aerodynamic curves that defy traditional RV boxiness. Its monolithic silhouette is accented by a continuous black glass surface that wraps around the upper deck, giving it the look of a private luxury yacht mated with a hyper-modern bullet train. LED light strips frame the front and rear ends with surgical precision, and of course, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy sits proudly at the nose, floating above a smooth, grille-less front fascia. Step inside, and you're transported into a realm that redefines mobile living. The lower deck is a masterclass in space optimization and high-end craftsmanship. You'll find a fully equipped smart kitchen with seamless cabinetry, marble-inspired surfaces, and integrated touch controls. It's the kind of cooking space you'd expect in a penthouse suite, not a vehicle. The living area features plush, modular seating wrapped in cashmere and leather, accented by illuminated trim and crystal fixtures. Every surface reflects the craftsmanship Rolls-Royce is known for. Even the air vents feel like polished jewelry. Climb the sculpted spiral staircase to the upper deck, and you're met with a panoramic lounge that rivals any first-class cabin. A full-size bed is framed by soft, gold-accented wall panels and ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood. Large skylights above the bed offer stargazing opportunities, while smart glass adjusts transparency at a touch. This level is a true sanctuary, offering zero compromise between comfort and mobility. There's even an AI concierge system that manages lighting, temperature, privacy, and entertainment throughout the vehicle, all with voice, command, or gesture control. Underneath all that beauty, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Double-Decker Motorhome is expected to be fully electric, built on an advanced modular EV platform with all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension. It's whisper quiet on the move, and despite its massive size, it glides with that unmistakable Rolls-Royce wafting effect. Range estimates are still speculative, but Rolls-Royce has hinted at a next-generation battery system offering long-distance capability tailored for extended luxury travel. So, who is this for? Well, this isn't your average weekend RV. It's a rolling private jet for the road, aimed at ultra-high net worth individuals who demand nothing but the absolute best, not just in transit, but in lifestyle. Whether it's for cross-country luxury travel, exclusive on-location retreats, or simply making a statement of status and design, this double-decker marvel delivers like nothing else. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Double-Decker Motorhome isn't just a concept. It's a vision of how far imagination and engineering can go when budget isn't a constraint. And while it may not be in every driveway soon, it represents a new class of mobility. Part vehicle, part mansion, part spaceship. If this is the future of luxury travel, then count us in.